Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to actually use and, kind of how to actually design with inspiration at hand. But yeah, we're just going to get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and actually find your inspiration. This could be anything. This could be like an old album cover, like how Lucky did with, actually a lot of his covers are like inspired by some other shit. But yeah, you could do some old album covers, or you could go on Pinterest, like do some movie posters, or really whatever inspires you, like whatever you think looks cool, you can do. It's just knowing how to actually take elements from it and turn that into, a cover art or a design, whatever. I'm not going to limit this to cover arts because I know a lot of people are going to be using this for different things, but yeah, I'm going to be making a cover art with this. Alright, so I'm just on Pinterest here and just kind of show you guys what kind of shit I have on here. uh it's just things that kind of stood out to me. It's not really anything specific, like there's a lot of 80s movie posters and there's just a lot of different things, but yeah, it's just a lot of gradient work really is what is what I like about these. It's just a lot of gradient work. But yeah, I'm just gonna pick a random one and just kind of show you guys what you should be looking for to actually break shit down and put them into a design, because you don't want to be copying shit. You want to be inspired. But so let me just take this for an example, right? So maybe I would go for, maybe if I like the sky, I'll like make something with the sky, or if I like the colors, I will kind of try and match the colors. Like, you want to take different elements from things and you can merge things. Like, you can take, like, say the sky and the colors from this, then you could take like the car from this and the positioning of it and the helicopter, and you can put that all together, like you can create some crazy shit just by merging two ideas together. But yeah, just to make something really quick, I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna try and look for something. Alright, so I'm just gonna use this picture of a Samsung because I already have it like upscaled and shit. But yeah, I'm just gonna like cut this shit out. Alright, so I'm just gonna get an inspiration here, just like a random one. I might actually just go for this one here, kind of just with sky and the colors. So it's like a yellow green tone with like a lightning sun sky. See if anything pops up. I think this would work. Let me just get like a higher quality image. If you guys don't know that little trick for Google, just go over here, like next to the more, go to tools, go to size, any size, large, and then if you want transparent or PNG, just go to transparent. That's how I get my sheet. Um, but yeah, we can do this. We can work this. I'm fuck with this. Boom. Alright. We can bring that behind them, and what I'm gonna do is just make a gradient map. The first one I'm gonna do is just a black and white. Oops. Just gonna make it black and white, and we will overlay it. Just make it a bit more darker, like not too crazy. And then we can do another gradient map. We will do one here. We'll make this green, like a dark green. Then this one, a yellow. Maybe that's how it is. Like so. And then you want to mess around with the little, blend modes and shit like that. Usually like hue would work, or like it's kind of weird because yeah, that would work. So that's basically the tone. Then I'm gonna get color balance, make it like, maybe get rid of that. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna make the background black, just so it's like that. Okay. Maybe even flip it just to match it a bit more. have it like so, like that, and then just erase some parts here. I'm gonna get some lightning in as well, just to really match that shit. Lightning. Something like that, some shit like that. Just copy it. Like I don't even save shit much anymore unless it's like an actual image, but I really just be copying like from Google and shit. So this might be a little bit much, but I'll kind of just fade it in, just like so. Just like fade it, and then you can. I'll probably hold on. Let me get rid of this. Convert smart objects, just to actually turn this black and white, just so it matches, you know, the color and shit. I might actually turn this black and white too. Object, black and white, just literally match it. I think that looks hard. Yeah. Like some shit like this, just crazy shit. Like, you can really just experiment, do whatever you want. Might actually duplicate this over a bit, like that. And what you could also do is kind of use the cloud as a mist, so you could bring it up, and you could have it like here. Get a layer mask, just erase it, and then you can use that as like a glow. Wait, put it there. Yeah, and then you can alt backspace with a black brush, and then with a white brush you can just paint that shit in like so. Like so. Hell yeah. And then, you know, obviously just do your little glows. So just get like a white, or just use the color picker here. Just match it. You can get like a crazy nice glow. That's nice as shit. Create a clipping mask, do the same shit, just around the corners, around the edges. Now, obviously the cutout isn't good, I just rushed it a little bit, so don't mind that, don't mind that. Just taking the colors and shit and then kind of just putting your, you know, obviously it doesn't have to just be the colors, you can do anything. But yeah, like even here, like I was thinking just put like some lasers there, like this would be fire, like these little castles, or not castles, these buildings. They might be castles, I don't know what the fuck they are, but just need to get the right angle. Yeah, this perfect. Size is terrible though. Yeah, that's perfect. That's literally perfect. Just to add some like perspective, that would be perfect. So just cut this out. Hold up. Do a little quick cutout, like nothing crazy. Obviously, if you're making this an actual cover art, you should like take your time. But we're just rushing through this, just so you know, I'm not keeping you guys too long. But you guys probably already get the gist, you know, on how to actually do this. Cause I know when I was struggling, I didn't really know how to actually take some inspiration. But I feel like when you do actually take inspiration, it is probably the best thing to do when, probably the best thing to do if you're just stuck. I'm gonna just like finish that there. So first thing I'm gonna do is really just kind of make it black and white. Like so, just get rid of some of the color. And I'm gonna actually bring it down a bit. And I want to get a laser. So if you guys do get my free pack in the Discord, there's gonna be a laser in there, laser PNG. I'm not gonna open it up right now, but there is a laser in there that you guys can use. If I can't find it, I'll just open it up because that laser is fucking crazy. I think it's this one. Yeah. So, yeah, this laser is fucking like the best laser I've used ever. But, yeah. So I just want to like put it wherever you want to put it. And I'm gonna make it big. And I'm gonna make it kind of come out a bit. So I want it to come out of the subject. Like so, so. Maybe have it coming from there. And then I'm going to duplicate it just so it's not like crazy. And then get a little mask, a little layer mask. Then you can just kind of just do whatever. I might actually just blur this one, the top one, just to kind of create that drop off effect, I guess. Oh no. Maybe I'll just leave it like this. Nah, wait. I might blur this too, just a little bit. Like non-crazy. You can change this color too. I might change this to the, I think it's like green they had in the inspo. Yeah, the green laser is tough. Only problem with that is the damn gradient map, so we're gonna have to bring that all the way up. Green. Oh yeah, that's perfect, I bet. And then what I like to do is just erase kind of right here. Just like these little corners or the edges. I like to erase it just so it's not like crazy sharp. Something like that. Be hard. And yeah, you can just go crazy. You can go bananas with this shit. If you really put the time and just kind of just like get some different inspiration. I'm just trying to show you guys like what you can do. Once you just, you know, find a nice inspiration. But yeah, make sure you do actually cater your Pinterest if you are using Pinterest to, you know, whatever you like, because that's what I did. And make sure you don't search up some bullshit, because if you search up like Hello Kitty toys or some shit, it's gonna flood all, you know, Hello Kitty toys. So just make sure you're liking all the, you know, movie posters, the rap covers, the R&B covers, all that shit, and even just random pictures you fuck with. But yeah, that's basically it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, if you guys do want to download some packs like my mixed media pack where you don't have to, you know, go ahead and rip shit out for a mixed media look, make sure you guys do go ahead and click down below to actually download it.